Hi beautiful Nana Obis, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl Nana Obi, of course, and today's video is Uncut with Nana Obi, where we dissect matters that have caused controversy on the internet, on the social media. So we bring it here and we dissect it. Okay, so guys, today's video is about Eniola, Badmus, and the girl that she took to the prison, that stayed a little bit of, I think she stayed about a month, I'm not sure. And people on the internet are cursing her and saying how wicked she is, and all sorts of things.
What happened is, a friend of mine called Children said that if I should come out and talk about Miss Eniola Badmus, that he was going to send me 200k because I told him about my rent, that he was going to send me 200k. So that was what prompted the video in the first place. So I'm so sorry. I just did that because I was desperate to pay my house rent. I didn't want to pay my that comes. So sorry. Guys, it's a lie. Like, I just did it because of the money. I was so desperate to pay my house rent. Really, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Actually, she was saying that Eniola was a pimp. Eniola was pimping people, and she has a friend that Eniola had pimped. Like, she was so sure, and she was so sure and saying it. So to her surprise, she didn't know Eniola was tracking her. Of course, to track her will be very easy, because if Judas betrayed Jesus, what is us? So just go to her page and find somebody who is a very mutual friend with her. Just dash her money and the person will just leak her street, her address and everything. So I'm sure finding her wasn't that difficult for Eniola, and she got found, I think, in the night or something, and she was captured and she was begging, but Eniola didn't have, she wasn't having it.
Ego, how far now? Ego, what's up? What's I do you? Nothing. You don't decide to just spoil my name. No, you can't be sorry. We didn't go culture. No? Yeah, and the girl will call me professional. It is so. Professional. How far now? Before. That your friend, where she did? You go provide her more. She be say one friend. She not get the friend again. Come. She go come back. Now she go be your witness.
And she took her to the station where they charged her. I think she was put into the cell or the prison or the jail, whatever you call it. She was there for some days, okay? And the social media went berserk that Eniola was very wicked, that people should have the freedom to talk things they want to talk and the things they don't want to talk. But this comes off two sides. If you're coming to social media to talk things you want to talk because you feel you have freedom of speech, and you're saying something bad about someone which is not true, some people wouldn't take it, okay? Some people are not going to take it. Okay, see this very girl now. After all these things she said, when she was captured, she said somebody dared her. Somebody said she was going to give her 200,000 naira to come to the internet and say things bad about Eniola.
A friend of mine called Children said that if I should come out and talk about Miss Eniola Badmus, that he was going to send me 200k because I told him about my rent, that he was going to send me 200k. So that was what prompted the video in the first place. So I'm so sorry. I just did that because I was desperate to pay my house rent. I didn't want to pay my that comes. So sorry. Guys, it's a lie. Like, I just did it because of the money. I was so desperate to pay my house rent. Really, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
200,000 naira to come to the internet to say things bad about Eniola, and you actually took the money. Obiakage, you get hurt, you collect the money, you can't talk with no be true. I don't know, some of our girls, will I say they are long truth, or will I say they have mind? I'll just call it long truth. That person come and offer you money, then you come to the internet and be saying something that is bad that somebody did not do, and you think you're just going to get away with it. If you think other people have been getting away with it, there are some people that you don't step on their toes. Okay, there are some people that you don't step on their toes. At least this, you have to show lessons to other people that come to the social media to say things that is not true about somebody and think things can be done. Things can be done. Some people don't take such, some people don't tolerate, some people don't have tolerance to take such things when you lie on their head. Let me just put it basically like this, okay? And the girl, she stayed and she came out and she was talking about the police not giving her her phone.
So I've been out for like a week, and but my phone has been held down by the police, Ikeja headquarter police to be precise. So I've literally been, telling them, because the matter had been resolved by the court. I was given a fine which I've paid, and I've been out since. And the court have been like, okay, my things should be given to me for me, because the case have been resolved. But I've been asking the police to give me my phone. They have held down my phone for the past 1 week. Give me my phone. I don't have access to money. I need to go to the hospital to treat myself. Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
And she was saying so many things, causing back her thoughts that now that she has gone to the prison and she's back, and so what? She was just saying things like, yes, I took the 200,000 naira to say things that are bad about Eniola, that she's pimping people, that the situation was, she was in that period, made her to take that money. And if it's us that were in that situation, they were still going to take that money. That she wasn't even sound like someone that was remorseful.
For the part that a video of me about someone pay me 200k, to make that video, are you people that are you people that dumb that you don't even understand the chemistry that went there? Some of you, that's why I just cannot have a conversation with some people, because I feel like you don't even understand what chemistry is. You can't even use your brain and think, put 1 and 2 together, make it equals to what? Is there any evidence? I want to understand, was there any evidence of, at least proof of payment slips, at least proof of chat message that went on between me and the person that sent me 200k to frame person? There's no such evidence like that. And you people don't know what happened behind cameras. You just accepted something. It's the same man that told you people the first one. It's the same man that told you people the second one. It's the same man that still told you people that 200k, say 200k without no evidence. And now I'm also seeing interview where they said I told someone shut up. The word called shut up is something I use once in 8 years, because I hardly in my lifetime tell someone shut up. I advocate, I always stand with, if you know me,
she's still seeing what she did at I did what I did, and so I did what I did, and so okay. And people are not having it with Eniola that she went to extreme, holding that girl and putting her into causing her trauma of staying in the prison for some weeks.
The girl mentioned that they have a group. I don't want to mention the name of the group, but obviously the truth will definitely unfold as we move forward. But trust me, this one, we're going down. She's going to court, and I really want her to come up with evidences if she can. And it's not just about the part alone. She even went ahead saying so many things like, I have a whole lot of politics. No, you cannot come here and defend. You don't even know me. You don't. It's not nice. I'm an hardworking person. Aside from, and guess what? I don't come on social media to post whoever I am. Whatever anyone think of me, or whatever anyone says, oh, Eniola is rich. Sorry, you don't even know my words. You don't even know me. I don't come here to say, started from talk this. And she replied me, shut up. I called Luke, say, okay, no problem. And I called my lawyer, and they submitted the petition. And there's a petition, there's Miss Daddy Freeze. This one, we are going to court.
And she has to bail herself, of course, not with 1 naira. Trust Nigerian police, you have to bail yourself with money. Okay, So I'm not the notion of people that were blaming Eniola. I'm just in the middle, because trust me, if it's not true, why are you saying it? You should have your evidence when you want to say such thing. And even when you have evidence when you want to say such thing, is it even necessary to just come out and make yourself that popular in a very wrong way? Because the thing is, coming when they come out to make themselves popular, money will not start falling from left and right because they've made themselves popular. If you want to make yourself popular, you should try to make yourself popular in things that are good, okay? And the things that are not the things that are not good. Because I don't know, in her mind, she's thinking that this political stuff that went the other time, that people didn't like Eniola's way because of who she was supporting. Maybe she was thinking that she's gonna come and say what she wants to say, and the crowd will support her because people are a bit not happy with Eniola and the choice of her vote. Do you understand? But she doesn't understand that Eniola herself knows that love she had from people has gone. So now she can she can do anything she wants to do and however she wants to do it. Okay, what do you guys think? Let me just come here and talk about this. What do you guys think? Don't come out and say things that didn't happen. Even if it happened, is it necessary to come out to start raising that awareness? Like, we don't care. If it touches you that much, go to the person privately or whatever means and talk about it. Don't come to the internet and doing video and be sharing morals that are not moral for us, okay? If I may put it that way. So guys, it is what it is, okay? Just don't step on foot of everybody. It's not everybody's foot you step on, okay? So guys, what do you think? Do you think the girl did you right? Do you think Eniola was wicked for having to take this to another level? Do you think the girl was foolish for having to collect money to go this extreme, getting someone's name and saying things that were not real? Okay, let's just sit down in the comment section what you think about it. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel, of course, and cause it no obi on this very video. And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.